Can a single Russian weapon actually take down America's untouchable F-35 stealth fighter? Meet the S-400. NATO calls it the SA-21 Growler, but Russia calls it the S-400 Triumph, and it is an absolute beast in modern warfare. Developed in the 90s and deployed in 2007, this air defense system is straight up terrifying. Here's why. It has a massive range of 400 kilometers. Drones, fighter jets, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles, the S-400 can blast them all out of the sky. Get this, a single system can track 80 targets at once and fire up to 160 missiles simultaneously. Russia even claims its advanced radar can easily spot stealth aircraft. Unlike the US Patriot system, which mostly relies on one type of interceptor, the S-400 creates an impenetrable layered defense using 4 different missiles. You've got the 40 N6 for extreme long-range strikes at 400 kilometers, all the way down to the 9M96E for close-range defense at 40 kilometers. But the S-400 isn't just a weapon. It's a geopolitical game-changer. China, India, and Turkey all bought it. In fact, Turkey buying this system made the US so mad they were completely kicked out of the F-35 fighter program. Meanwhile, India risked heavy US sanctions just to get their hands on it. There is no denying the S-400 is one of the deadliest, most advanced air defense systems on the planet. But what do you think? Is it actually better than the US Patriot? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more military tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.